Let's talk about some mysterious facts of Puri Jagannath Temple, Odisha, India. The Jagannath Temple in Puri is not just a place of worship, it's a realm of inexplicable phenomena that has captivated the minds of devotees and skeptics alike for centuries. Let's delve into some of the most intriguing mysteries surrounding this sacred site. The temple's unique architecture ensures it never casts a shadow, regardless of the time or direction or even when it's raining or sunny. Some say this is due to the temple's architecture, while others believe it's a supernatural phenomenon. Birds and planes don't fly above the temple, even though it hasn't been declared a no-fly zone by any authorities. Some attribute this to divine forces, possibly due to the divine eagle, Garuda Dev's presence, believed to carry Lord Jagannath. The flag atop the temple strangely always floats in the opposite direction of wind. The flag floating in opposite direction brings your scientific reasoning to a halt, and you just tend to believe that there is some force more powerful than science. The chakra is actually 20 feet high and weighs a ton, fitted on top of the temple. But you can see this chakra from any corner of the Puri city. The engineering mystery behind the placing and positioning of chakra is still a mystery because irrespective of your position, you can always feel that the chakra is facing toward you. It's also a mystery how such a massive structure was placed on the temple's pinnacle. The amount of food cooked for prasadam is the same every day, but it's always enough for the devotees, regardless of how many there are. Some believe this is a blessing from God Jagannath. Pots are actually used to cook this special delicacy using firewood. 7 pots are used for this and they are placed one on top of another. Interesting to note here is that the contents of the topmost pot gets cooked first, followed by the bottom pots. The Jagannath temple has 4 doors, and Singhadwaram is the main door of entrance to the temple. While you enter through Singhadwaram, you can clearly hear the sound of waves, but once you pass the Singhadwaram, simply take a turn and walk back in the same direction, you will no longer hear the sound of waves. In fact, you will not hear the sound of waves as long as you are inside the temple. There are also some other mysteries. Some believe the temple complex hides a large amount of treasure, and others have reported hearing strange sounds and murmurs, such as ocean waves or bells ringing, when no one is around. The Jagannath temple is a treasure trove of enigmatic elements that continue to spark curiosity and devotion. These unexplained phenomena and time-honored rituals have contributed significantly to the temple's mystique, making it a pilgrimage site for both the spiritually inclined and those seeking answers to life's great mysteries. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.